In this tutorial, I'll show you how to highlight errors in Google Sheets using a simple conditional formatting trick so you can instantly spot issues in your data. Start by selecting the range of cells where you want to check for errors. This could be a single column, a row, or your entire data set depending on where your formulas are. Next, go to the top menu, click Format and choose Conditional Formatting. This opens a panel on the right where you can create rules to automatically style cells based on their content. Now switch the rule type. Under Format Cells If, change it to Custom Formula Is. This lets you define exactly what counts as an error. In the formula box, type equals ISNA D2. Make sure D2 matches the first cell of your selected range. This formula checks whether a cell contains a number n, a error, which usually appears when a formula like a lookup can't find a match. After that, choose a highlight style. Pick a bold background color like red or yellow so the errors stand out clearly. Click Done and you'll immediately see any cells with number n, a errors highlighted across your selected range. If you want the rule to apply across an entire column consistently, you can lock the column by using equals ISNA $D2. This keeps the check focused on that specific column as the rule applies down the rows. That's it. You now have a clean, automatic way to catch errors in your sheet, making it much easier to debug formulas and keep your data accurate.